You might have seen some older videos telling you to file something called a BOI report. As a non-resident with a US formed LLC, you're currently exempt from that, because the rule now only applies to companies formed outside the US. So that's one less thing on your plate, though it is worth double checking because this area is still settling. The one that you can't skip is Form 5472. If you own a single member LLC as a non-US person, the IRS requires you to file this form every year, along with another form called Pro-Forma 1120. The penalty for missing these forms is $25,000, so this information really matters. But don't stress about this. Submitting these two forms every year is a lot simpler than you might think, and a lot of people just use an affordable filing service or an accountant to take care of it for them. Just keep in mind that this is separate from the simple state report we covered earlier, the one that Northwest reminds you about. So you've really got two yearly items, one state and one federal. And when it comes to actual taxes, if your business doesn't earn money from inside the US, you generally won't owe US income tax, but you still have to file that 5472 every year. And if you haven't set up your LLC just yet, just head to this link on screen right here, or click the first link down in the video description. That's the correct page to do it the right way, and it locks in the lowest pricing available.